Hello everyone! You guessed it, we're going once again to the Florida Keys. This time we have to take a microwave to my mother-in-law's beach house, and we were like, we're not doing a 2-hour drive just for that. So we looked it up what to do that we haven't done yet with the dogs, and I found there's this state park in Key Largo that we have never been. So on our way back, we're gonna stop there and walk the doggos. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. If you guys have been paying attention, you know we love helicopters, and we saw this one hovering very close to the power line, so I thought it was very interesting. I think they were like filming a bird. There was a guy filming the whole time, and I couldn't see anything else other than the power lines and some trees, so I imagine or they were filming the power lines or a bird. Trusting our wings to fly. This state park is right in the entrance or exit of the Florida Keys. As soon as you get out of the stretch, you have to do a left, and it's less than a mile away. We finally made it to the Dagny Johnson Largo Hammock Botanical State Park. It's a mouthful, the name, and we have never been here, so we're very excited to explore it. It says to use an envelope for each person.
Oh, for each person?
Yeah.
Well, I can't. I don't have change.
On their website says that the main trail is 2 miles or 1 mile if you do half of the loop. We don't know yet if we're gonna do the full loop or half of it. Depend on how the mosquitoes are and if it's flooded. Key Largo get flooded a lot. This is a trail? I was worried it was gonna be very wet and very swampy. We have been having really heavy rains and winds these last few days. Fort Lauderdale is flooded, but only we have seen so far is this branch that fall down. But everything else it have been dry, so I'm very pleasantly surprised. There's a bunch of mosquitoes, but honestly I was expecting more. We have encountered way worse in the Everglades. This was a very short nature trail, and you get back to the main trail again. So if you want to spice it up, you could do the natural trail, or if you want to step in the paved road, you could do it. They get back together really fast. That one kind of looks small for us. The main trail had this point of view that you could see like a little bit of a lake or a river. I'm not quite sure what it is. and Venus was dying to go and investigate and get closer. We didn't let her go into the water at all because if you know anything about the top of the Florida Keys, we have alligators and crocs. To be honest, for a Saturday, a couple hours before sunset, I thought we were gonna see a bunch of people on the trails. We only saw a guy with two dogs and a family. The park was pretty empty, pretty much we had it all for ourselves. Loved that. And it was very tranquil, very calm. You could hear all nature, you could hear the creeps of the leaves. I really, really loved it. The only thing, it was the mosquitoes, but I knew there was gonna be mosquitoes, especially they have been raining this past week non-stop. We choose to do today the half loop. Says that the full loop could be flooded, so to avoid that we only did half. Can you spot Shrek? I was carrying him before, so that's why it's the first time that you see him. And before anybody asks why he's not walking, he's 15 years old and he cannot keep up with Venus and Apollo, especially that this is gonna be a 1 mile walk. And he cannot do that anymore. He's 15, he's very old, and Venus and Apollo walk way faster than him.
Come on, guys. Come on, buddy.
Get him a little more up. I really love Shrek's backpack. It helped to keep him in a safe place to do adventure with us. We have taken traveling to a lot of places. We have taken it to Chicago, Michigan, and he actually loved his backpack. He get very excited when he sees it. He know he's going on an adventure. It's from Petco. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I will put the price around here. And it's very sturdy. I don't use it when I'm gonna travel with him on a plane, but for everything else, I loved it. So here we checked in the fee color and we did almost 5,000 steps and 1.2 miles. Not bad, especially for a Saturday afternoon. I definitely wanna come back when the weather is a little drier to do the full loop. Well, that was it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye!